Hey YouTubers, how you doing? It's a video from a buddy, Tommy Mac. I know you're watching. I got something for you. If you're at the bar hanging out, I have a nice stinky ass fart for you, buddy. Hope you'd enjoy it, because I'm lactose and I've been drinking milk. Just kidding. Hold on a second, I gotta make this a 40 video, huh? Hold on. What's better than that? Good old Colt 45. Hang on momentarily. I'll be right back as well. Now, much better. Thank you for the cheesesteak sandwiches. Me and my girl. Let's get to the point. To smoke another joint. Rest in peace, Tom Petty. Oh yeah. That's that fucking good shit. Something about smoking weed always makes me want to fart. So weird. You know, to make this video 10 minutes, so let's get to drinking, huh? Let's get down to what we came here for there, boys and girls. Gents and ladies. Good old Colt 45. Crack 'em. Salute. Shout out to all the people's families that lost somebody in Las Vegas, by the way, too. Sad, terrible thing that happened. It's our moment of silence. Almost puked that one up. Now we got a moment of silence. Let's get to drinking. Let me start a split cheesesteak up real quick. Fuck, I was supposed to go get my girlfriend a towel for her hair. She colored it. Weird shit like that. Whispering because I don't want her to hear me. When she yells, my name, I'm gonna book downstairs, grab a towel, and I'll be right back, guys, but not shit though. Show my buddy Tommy Mac. If you're at the bar and I burp like that, would you be embarrassed, Tommy? I hope not. What about if I farted like that? Would you be embarrassed by that? Hold on a second. Yes?
Can I have that towel for my hair, please?
Of course you can, dear. I'll be right up with it. Salute! Let's get drunk!
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah! Holy crapola! Damn, babe, what?
Pull it down there.
Keep it down.
Tell me to sit down.
I said, keep it down. I'm making a video right now. My fans are listening.
Are you really?
Yes. Sorry about her, guys. She's on her own time. Does her own thing. Like the rest of us. So we're all here sitting here watching this video drinking. Is it not so? Making a video for my buddy Tommy Mac. Yeah? Yeah, we're talking about farting and drinking at the bar. Isn't that right, Tommy? What? Talking about farting and drinking at the bar. Guy stuff. Well, you fart in your sleep. That was one of those stinky little gassy ones for sure. As soon as that blade comes off, boom, to the face. You ever been punched so hard in the face you fell backwards? Imagine that. It's in the cabinet, like always. Like a little Indian in the cupboard. Isn't that right, guys? Oh, fuck, I got 4 minutes to drink this 40. I better hurry the fuck up, because YouTube won't let me upload a video longer than 10 minutes. You guys email them and ask them why. I think that's a hater move. Fucking haters.
Just your phone, baby.
No. There's people watching. And if they're not right now, they will be when this is uploaded. Isn't that right, guys? Tell her to be quiet. She doesn't know what the fuck she's talking about. She's tripping. She's hating on me. Salute.
Oh no!
Oh. By the way, Tommy Mac. Since this was such a huge delay, and I'll explain that at some other time, I'm going to make one video for the next 3 days straight on top of this one. Do you know how many that makes? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So today's technically the 0 day, and then you count to 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's how that works. Anyways, even though 0 is not a number, it's a negative. It's not even in existence. It's the beginning or the end of a number, more than likely.
What are you talking about?
Listen, when you want to have your own YouTube channel, you talk about what the fuck you want to talk about on your shit. Tell her, guys. Better.
I need to hang this up, but I don't want to go in there and make
I don't want to hear anything you're saying right now. I'm wearing my sunglasses inside. Hey, you guys want to see something cool? Check this out.
Wait.
Oh, no? She ain't got no clothes on. This video might get shorter than I thought it was going to
Can you
be.
hand me my vaporizer, please?
No, you can come get it, though. Where's it? Oh, you're too fucking short. They can see your head right there. Like, she was naked. She was naked, look. Ah, a towel. Yeah, don't get that. Your phone got excited and fell down, too. Shit. Oh, fuck, the steak's burning, baby, cuz.
Pay attention to what you're doing.
Just kidding, it's not. Just kidding. The back burner likes to have a mind of its own. We're going to have to go ahead and swap these around here. We're just going to cook that steak too fast, and guess what? It'll be all tough and shit. It's like chewing a piece of beef jerky for a sandwich. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I forgot the fucking camera's on still. Hey, look who that is. Over there. That way. See it right here, this area? That's her. Right there. And that's my beard on camera. Oh, fuck. I better drink this in 2 minutes. Stop fucking around, Derek, and let's get this done.
Are you drunk already, babe? Good answer. That's not it? Or is that cheating?
Well, that's cheating. You can't run this. Tell her, guys, I have to drink this by myself. There's no sharing. Sharing doesn't count.
Sharing's not caring.
Sharing's caring. It's not on my YouTube channel, okay? Makes me look bad. If I look bad, people don't watch. If you guys don't watch, then I have nothing to do with my time. I do this shit for you guys. Well, not all of you, but most of you. Just, the ones I say not you, you know who I'm talking about. Oh, fuck, I was supposed to do a shout out for the last 10 people in the video last time. Fucking see what happens if you smoke weed? You get down. That's why you smoke more of that shit. A lot more. Oh, no, baby, because... Oh, fuck. You want to get in the video?
No, I'm in a towel.
I think she wants to be part of the video. What do you guys say? She's laughing. Is that a yes?
Why are you so creepy all the time?
If she laughs, does that make it a yes? She says I'm creepy. I know you guys aren't watching as of this moment, but it's almost like I'll be talking directly to you when you are watching it. It's like a commercial you see, and you feel like you just fucking absolutely have to get up and go out and fucking buy what you just saw because it was that goddamn good of a commercial.
You are ridiculous. I'm gonna go over here.
I don't see commercials like that, but I know they exist somewhere. When you guys find them, let me know. Hey! She's naked with a towel on, eating some cookies. how much more can you ask for in American life or any other life for that? See it run by? Yeah, I know you guys seen that shit. Slow it down, pause it. You fucking on 10:13, slow it down and fucking pause it. You see it run by damn near naked. Just saying. Oh no, I'm 22 seconds over. Fuck, they're gonna make my video cut short. Chug a lug lug. Tommy McNamara, I'll make it up for you later on, but right now, you guys enjoy this video. What? Here comes the huge one ever. Oh my god, that was so powerful.
Now I'm really naked.
Fuck, I got 2 lids here. I got another for I had a 40 I was drinking before, but you know, I started the video with a half drinking 40. Nobody does that shit. Anyways, you guys enjoy the video. Love you, deuces. Bye. Check it out.